शिवांश भी कनेक्ट हो। सुकृति जी कैसे हैं आप?
मैं ठीक हूँ, आप बताइए। नमस्कार।
नमस्कार नमस्कार, सब ठीक ठाक?
हाँ जी।
फाइन गुड। फरीन जी तो ठीक पाइट?
आदाब ठीक
ईद मुबारक वंस अगेन।
या खैर मुबारक।
चलो ठीक है। क्या खास क्या बनोता है आज ईद पे? आज
मनो या बनो?
बनो ये बनाओ उनको ठीक।
अच्छा
तो
बनो।
मतलब तुथ वन जोनी केम सिट पोनी ये मज क्या क्या बनोता है तेल?
आज बनो रुआंगन तो चामन बे
अच्छा
यखन बे बनो बटर चिकन
वेरी गुड।
बे बनो कुफ्ता ना कुफ्ता नु रिश्तो बनाए
ओह रिश्ता, चलो ठीक।
बेन कबाब ते
चलो ठीक, चलो एंजॉय माइंड। You are also fasting तो इसे तो हाँ फाक के ना क्या क्या थे तो क्या थे
रमजान
रोजा आबास तो तेले चुज बनाने तो जो हक की सोरी क्या। चलो चलो I think we'll start. Shivansh, how are you बेटा? Good. Shivansh, you're good?
Yeah. Namaskar, Mara.
Great. Namaskar, namaskar. Change poem which bosom sorry बड़ा असल पोइट मगर मैं उसमें बोलूँ तो मम्मी वापस करने जन आइकलाइट ते वीडियो जो सूझ से मैं क्या
What? वीडियो करते हो मैंने बोला सब बोला क्या वीडियो की बात। Oh, okay.
Okay, चलो कोई बात नहीं, चलो take care. So let us start today in time. I will do one thing. I will start sharing the screen.
And using the data finance timeline. Right now, I updated finance.
Okay. You can see my page. So show you on which page can screen show account which it. Okay. आवाज़ बराबर इवान की बराबर चन तो का मैंने आवाज़ सही बूझत बराबर चलो ठीक है ओके लेट्स स्टार्ट चलो ओके लेट्स स्टार्ट सुकृति जी
हाँ जी।
आप ये श्लोक पढ़ लीजिए।
हाँ जी। ओम नमामि त्वां शारदा देवी महाभागी भगवती काश्मीर पूर्वासिनी विद्यादायिनी रक्षमां नमामि।
थैंक यू। शिवांश ललवाक
Ami pan so duras navi chaslaman kat bozi da dai mion metti ditti tar eman taken point zan shaman zu shum brahman guru Gatha.
slide change. You're not very clear. Farin, can you read it please?
आम पन सदरस नाविछस लामान कति बोझ दई म्योन मिति दीतार आम्यन टाक्यन पोन जन शमान जू छुम ब्रमान गर गच्छा
Gargatsa. Shivansh, gar, not gar. Okay? Great. Let's go. Okay, this we have done earlier also, so we will not repeat this. I spoke about Okay. Shivansh, can you fill this blank? First two. Shivansh, you have to fill first two. Window and water jar. What are the blanks?
What
How
does
do you
the
fill them?
F stand for?
Pardon?
What does the F
F,
stand for?
F stands for female. Female. It is
Oh.
it is a female gender of the word. So wherever you see M or F, that is the gender of the word. Okay. Go ahead. Tell me what is first two. You tell me. How will you fill these?
How do you say window in Kashmiri again?
Yeah. This is Kashmiri word, and you have to fill the blank there. The dash instead of that.
Is it
What is
Dhar?
The
Oh, Dhar.
there, and what is missing there?
R. Dhar.
R. That's right. And what about water jar?
Water jar.
Next.
Oh, R. Wait. Will that be R?
There-
What is water jar?
You have to read this also. You have to read also this. You have to read the
No.
word. Then you have to.
Mama, what's this water jar?
Jug, not jug. I don't.
Water jar. Wait, what's water jar?
No,
Wait,
you
what's a
read it here. No? You read it. You read it. You don't have to ask anybody. Read here.
Yeah, but
What
it
is it
only
written?
says the first two letters.
Yeah, you read them, and then you will remember what should be the last one. What is this? How will you pronounce these two?
No.
Nar was the word. Nar.
Oh.
Are
Nar.
here also. Okay. Farhinji.
Mhm.
Kitchen garden. And
Where?
cat.
Where and brer.
So that means what is the fill? What is the blank? Blank is to be filled with
R.
blank is cat. R Dashwini Jai. Very good.
हाँ.
Okay, Sukriti ji. Maina or earthen pot?
Her or were.
हाँ. तो उसमें क्या क्या लगाएंगे उसमें
र.
र दोनों में ठीक है
र.
र दोनों में अनइंटेलिजेंट एंड फाइन तुषार
अनइंटेलिजेंट का हो जाएगा चर र लगेगा
हाँ
फाइन का
हाँ
यर इसमें भी र लगेगा
वेरी गुड शिवांश अगेन ऑल एंड नेक are you reading the lessons or in your spare time or no Shivansh? Shivansh, you are able to hear me, all of you?
Yes. थोड़ा black
Okay,
कर रहा है.
just 1 minute. I am changing my network. Give me 1 second.
आई थिंक वो शिवांश म्यूट पे है
You are able to see me, hear me now?
Yeah, but you're glitching a little bit, like you're frozen.
You are able to hear me?
Yeah, I'm able to hear you.
Yes.
You are able to hear me now?
Yeah,
Yes.
but your face is just like stuck.
Oh, no, now it is. I've changed the network. No problem. Now tell me, Security ji, all or neck?
Her. कर.
Again, दोनों चीज में र. Okay. And Shivansh,
Yeah.
read the next two.
Mud and lud.
Blanks will be with R, both of them with
Yeah.
R.
R.
Pareen ji,
Ear and ter.
ter, T, it is with a dot. Okay.
Yeah. ter.
Okay. Thank you. Lesson parts of body. Next one. I will read it once and then you will repeat it with me. Hand, hath. You repeat after me. You can unmute yourself and so that I can listen to you. Shivansh, you can unmute yourself and repeat after me.
Okay.
hand, ath. All of you.
Hand after.
hand, arth,
Thumb, not.
Mute.
Finger, onguj.
Onguj.
onguj,
Little finger, kiss.
Kiss.
little finger, kiss,
Palm, man's ath.
Mans.
Man's nahi, man's ath. It is not with mans. No, it is man's. It is man's ath. Shivansh, have your attention on the lesson, please. Don't distract yourself. Okay? Man's ath. Arm,
Nar.
not nar. It is nar. Nar. Nar.
Nar. Nar.
Nar. Nar. Not nar. Nar. Nar would be if there was a simple A and with no circle, or N and R without Ardhachandra on top. That would be nar. It is nar. Shoulder, fyuk.
Yok.
Back, kamar.
Kamar.
kamar,
Chest, seen.
Sin.
sinu,
Belly, yad.
Yad.
Not yad. Yad. Da. Yad. Again,
Yad.
Shivansh.
Yad.
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 Put, khor.
Khor.
Leg, zang.
Zang.
Thigh, lung.
Long.
Ankle, god.
God.
Not the. It is the. I think you are again speaking the, not the. God, the.
The.
Dine, like dine. Like dine. Daughter. It is that the. Okay? God.
The.
God.
The.
God. Your God. Okay?
God.
Knee,
God.
coat. Knee, coat.
Coat.
Heel, foor.
Wood.
Look at the screen also. Keep remembering this. I will ask you to read it just now after I finish. Navel, toon.
Navel. Twoon.
First finger, anzim.
Anzim.
Second finger, manzim.
Manzim.
Elbow, khonvat.
Khonvat.
Yeah. Open your mouth.
Shoulder blade, shan.
Shan.
Part of back between shoulders, machul.
Machul.
Upper arm, mats.
Nuts.
Mats.
Mats. Mats.
Mats कश्मीरी में one more इसका meaning है mats कीमा बनता है ना कीमा मटन का कीमा तात्तिचवना mats okay उसको भी mats बोलते हैं so this is mats is upper arm this one this portion is called mats upper arm armpit cuts
Cuts.
wrist hoots
Hoots.
ribs kanye
Garni.
toes khor ungje
Kor unche.
hand fingers are called ongje and feet toes are called khor ongje khor is foot veins nerve veins nerve okay फरीन जी आप पढ़ेंगे ये पहला लाइन
Okay. Hand is atha, thumb is nyot, finger is ongaj, little finger is kiss, palm is man's atha.
स्वीकृति जी नेक्स्ट लाइन
arm, nar, shoulder, hyok, back, kamar, chest, sinu, belly, yad, foot, for.
Tushar. Third line.
Leg, zung, thigh, lung, ankle, god, knee, kot, heel, khur, navel, toon, first finger, unzim.
Shivansh. Shivansh is not there. Okay. Swikriti ji, आप पढ़ लीजिए ये last में.
Second finger, nunzim, elbow, onward, shoulder blade, shan,
ये दो भी आप पढ़ लीजिए.
part of back between shoulders, machul,
मच्चुल. मच्चुल.
machul,
हाँ.
upper arm, mat,
फरहीन जी.
armpit, cuts, wrist, hut, ribs, kanye, toes, khor ongje, veins, nar.
So again, I hope you are reading from here. Tashunan
Yeah.
nattakan koshir yeti pech korun.
सारी चीजें नहीं आती.
हाँ मतलब ये जो ना होज खास तौर पर होज बराबर याद थाउन हर छु थाउन याद तो उनकी जो कुछ पढ़ लिया खाने अच्छा ठीक. Okay. So select any 10 from above homework, write on paper, record audio and video with meaning and send page and audio to Kusam ji. Okay. Now second lesson today is close relations. Daughter's husband, Zamtur. Brother's son, Babthur. Brother's daughter, Bavz. Sister's son, Benthur. Sister's daughter, Benz. Husband's brother, Drui. Husband's brother's wife, Dhar Kakain. Dhar Kakain. Husband's brother's son, Dyarthur. Husband's brother's daughter, Dyarz. Husband's sister's son, Zermith Nechu. Zermith Nechu. Husband's sister's daughter, Zermiz. Zermiz. Farinjit Godik Treparyote.
Daughter's husband, Zamtur, brother's son, Babthur, brother's daughter, Bavz.
Akşi olsun person Farinjit. Tayesi ये पता है ये ना ये Dyarthur तो Dyarz छोटे ये पता है किन्ना?
No, no, we don't use these.
यहाँ अशना सारी असली पन boy बेनी बना ना अशन ये ज़्यादा use करें क्या but this is typical so you can remember.
Zönsun, Netsu, Zönsun. Yeah.
Dyarthur तो Dyarz तब अच्छा सुकृति जी आप next 3 पढ़ लीजिए. Husband's brother's wife.
husband's brother's wife,
Yeah, sorry. Husband's, I think first 3 only. Sister's son, you start from there.
sister's son, Dhyanthur, sister's daughter, Dhyanzur, husband's brother, Dhruvi.
Dhruvi, very good. Tushar.
Husband's brother's wife, Dhar Kakain. Husband's brother's son, Dyarthur. Husband's brother's daughter, Dyarz.
Dyarz. Shivansh, next. Husband's sister's son.
Zamit Nichuv.
Okay. Zermith Nechu. Zermith Nechu. Zermith Nechu. Okay, then.
Husband and sister's daughter. Zermizu.
Zermiz. Correct. Zermiz. Very good. Okay, homework is, remember all these, we'll ask you in the next lesson. Okay. Now, third part of this lesson today is professions, different professions. Very important. So please remember them. Okay. I'll read them once. I will ask you to read it again. Gardener, Bhagwan. Goldsmith, Bhagwan. Bhagwan.
Oh, bag.
Goldsmith, Sonur. You can repeat after me. Sonur. Magician, Jodugar.
Jodugar.
Messenger, Kursid.
Sid.
Plumber, Nalkawol.
Number. Nalkahul.
Postman, Dakawol.
Dakawol.
Shepherd, Gabiroch. Gabiroch. Gabiroch या पोहल. Gabiroch भी बोलते हैं. Gabiroch तिचवाना, पोहल तिचवाना. Gabiroch या पोहल. Tanner, guns. Timber merchant, Menzur. Treasurer, Khazanchi. Trader, Bapaj. Vegetable vendor, Dandur. Washerman, Dob. Waterman, Panyur. Weaver, Wovur. Woodcutter, Tabardar. Writer, Likhoir. Likhoir. Okay. So let's start. Sukriti ji, first three.
Gardener, Bhagwan, Goldsmith, Sonur, Magician, Jodugar.
Shivansh, next three. Messenger. Unmute yourself.
Messenger. Cursor. Plumber. Nalkabul. Postman.
Dakawol.
Duckawul.
Dakawol ne. Dakawol. Dakawol.
Dakawul. Shepherd. Gabiroch or Pohel.
Pohol. Pohol.
Pohol. Tanner.
But then, no, oh, wait. Tushar.
Tanner. Tanner guns.
Hmm.
Timber merchant Myanzur.
Hmm.
Myanzur.
Hmm.
Treasurer Khazanch.
Khazanchi. Bas. Fareen.
Trader, Bapad, vegetable vendor, Dandur, washerman, Dob,
Waterman.
waterman, Panyur.
Yہِ چھو تۄہہِ بوٗزمُت زانٛہہ؟
Nay.
کیازِ کہِ آزکل سٲری نلکو منٛز یِوان پوٗنۍ آزکل ما چھُ یِوان برونٛٹھ اوس یِوان پوٗنۍ تَتھ ٲسۍ وَنان مَشِک اِٹ یوٗز ٹُو بی اے کنٹینر میڈ آف سکِن
Oh.
تُہُنٛد گژھِ پنٛنِس فادرس پرٛژھُن یہِ کیُتھ اوس آسان یوٗ کین لُک اپ فار ا پِکچر سمویر ٹھیٖک ہے ویٖور تُشار ووور
Wover.
وُڈ کٹر شِوانش وُڈ کٹر
Woodcutter. Tabardar.
تبردار
Tabardar. Yeah. Rider. Liquor. No, liquor.
لِکھٲرۍ
Liquor.
کٲرۍ
Liquor.
کھٲرۍ KH is کھٲ لِکھٲرۍ
Liquor.
لِکھٲرۍ
Liquor.
Homework is select any 10 from the above and write on paper, record audio video with meaning and send page audio or assistant teacher Kusam ji ko bhejna hai. ठीक है ये सोचूं तमिस singular plural of some words. Okay, again it is a gender of a word, so it may not be it is how we represent a particular word in a noun in this gender. House, I will read once and then you will read again. House, makan, plural also is makan. Room is kamra, plural is also kamra. Tumbler is gilas, plural is also gilas. Plankin is zampan, plural is also Zampan. Picture is Gadva, plural is also Gadva. Hook is Kant, plural is also Kant. Glass is Sheesh, plural is also Sheesh. Handmill is Grat, plural is also Grat. Gent shawl is Dus, plural is also Dus. Pot is Ban, plural is also Ban. Okay. Shivash, use first two. First three you speak. Go ahead.
House. Oh.
Yeah.
House, makan, and plural makanu. Room, kamru, and plural kamr.
Kamr. Kamrun. Kamr. It is with a cap. Kamr. Okay. Next.
Tumbler, gilas, and plural gilas.
Okay, fine. Farinji.
Okay. Palanquin is Zampana, plural same. Picture Gadva, plural same. Hook, Kant, plural same.
Sukriti ji.
Class, sheesh, plural also sheesh. Handmill, singular, grat, plural also
Not grat. Grat. Grat.
grat,
Correct.
plural also grat. Gents shawl, dus, plural, dus.
Pot.
Pot, ban, plural also ban.
Okay. I think Tushar. Tushar.
हाँ जी
ये Plankin.
ओके जापान
Hook.
कांट
Can't. Can't.
Can't.
Can't.
कांट
Okay.
Okay.
Handmill.
ग्रट ग्रट
Grat. तो अच्छो grat वुचमत कहाँ है? आप में से
चक्की।
किसी ने देखा है? चक्की
चक्की
वो
देखी है?
जिसमें जिसमें आटा पीसते
हाँ जिसमें आटा पीसते हैं घर में रहता है दो टाइप के रहते हैं एक तो घर में रहता है देयर टू stones circular stones which are polished and one above another and one is the top one is rotated over the bottom one and grains are put in the center so that आटा उसका बन जाता है but there is another also water mill this is hand mill तातिची grat वना ताशवना पांग grat that is water mill that is generally used in the villages tach that wheel of the wheel is not rotated by hand is rotated by water there's a wheel at the bottom that water wheel is moved by water and then the mill moves at the one part of the grotto moves so that is water mill okay I'm just kashire
Yeah.
sair ni jain gaman man sair ni jain asan
I think I have seen one video.
Video chu tay wuchmut farin ji tay chu
हाँ.
wuchmut san grat pang grat chu tay wuchmut kun jay farin ji tay chu grat wuchmut pang grat kun jay
सामने नहीं देखा है वो मूवीज वगैरह में देखा है चक्की
movies में think कैसे garken guys one I say pang grat kun jay tete varian jayn chu inti gamas bad asul cheez it is very nice to look at
गामन मंज ति छ आसान बे यम तुम लोट वगैरह छ कनान तिमन ति छ आसान
timan tu chasan that's right okay. Homework is select any 5 words from above and write on paper record audio video and send to Kusumji okay lesson grammar verb ये हमने last time पढ़ा है I want you to read it Sukriti ji can you read this first three
He reads. Suchu paran. She reads. Swachi che paran. He is reading. Suchu paran.
Parin ji next 3
she is reading swa ch paran he read tem por she read Temipur.
Shivansh.
He was reading Suosparan. She was reading Soasparan.
Swa-asparan.
He
Paran.
will read Supara. No,
Sup-
Supara.
Pyre.
She
Pyre. No, that's all.
Pyre.
That's all. That's all. That's all. Supyre. Tushar. Next one.
She will read Swapare. He will be reading Suarsiparan. Suarsiparan.
So Aisparan. He will be reading So Aisparan. Okay.
She will be reading Suarsiparan.
Okay. Again, Shivansh, now you go ahead with 3. Tell me these two to you. You read 2 of them. First 2.
They read Temchiparan.
Tim Che Paran.
They are reading Temchiparan.
They are reading and they read. They read. Both are same. They are the same way they are written in Kashmiri or spoken in Kashmiri. Okay. So Kriti ji.
Oh, my bad.
They read Tima 4. They were reading Tim is Paran. Tim
Very
is Paran.
Parin ji.
They will read Tim Paran. They will be reading Tim Asan Paran.
Astan Paran. Very good. So select any other verb of this choice. Say play. ये हमने last time किया था. Now you can use eat. In this you can use eat and again you can speak. Let me finish this lesson. If we have time, we'll do that again. Okay. So counting 1 to 50. You had earlier read, isn't it? संशय याद? Okay. 25 तक हमने पढ़ा था. Let us go ahead with 26. 26 शतवु. 27 सतोवु. 28 अठोवु. 29 कुंत्र. 30 त्र. 31 अकत्र. 32 द्वयत्र. 33 तेयत्र. 34 स्वयत्र. 35 पांचत्र. 36 शयत्र. 37 सतत्र. 38 आरत्र. 39 कुंतजी. 40 सतजी. 41 अक्तजी. 42 द्वयतजी. 43 तेयतजी. 44 स्वयतजी. 45 पांचतजी. 46 शयतजी. 47 सततजी. 48 अरतजी. 49 कुनवंजा. 50 pansa. Okay. I want you to read first 5. Shivansh, you start with first 5. Okay.
26 Shatuvu. 27 Satovu. 28 Atovu.
Atho. Atho.
Atovu.
Thunder.
29.
Okay.
Oh,
Atho.
29. Oh, Atovu.
Atho. Atho.
Atovu.
Atho. 29.
29 Kuntru.
Okay. Parinji.
30 Tr.
Ahmed. Just give me one. Okay. Go ahead.
30 Tr. 31 Aktr. 32 Doyitr. 33 teyitra, 34 tsoyitra.
Okay. Sukriti ji. Next line.
35 Pachitra, 36 Shaitra, 37 Satitra, 38 Aritra, 39 Kuntaji.
Tushar.
40 Satji, 41 Akhtarji, 42 Dwaitaji, 43 Teitaji, 44 Choitaji.
Shivansh. Next line.
45 Pansuji. 46
Hey, hold on. Panchtaji.
Pansuji. Okay, I got it. 46 Shayataji. 47 Sataji.
Sattaji.
48
It is not, hold on. Sattaji, not Sattaji. Sattaji. Okay.
Sataji. Okay.
Hmm.
48 Arataji. No, wait. Arataji.
No, this is by mistake. There's a mistake here. This JI should not be there. This should not be there. Okay. Next is
Arataji. 49 Kanwanza.
not
Kanwan-
kan. Kanni. Ku.
Kunwo.
Kunwanza.
And
You
then
look at the spellings. Kunwanza. 50. 50.
Pansa.
Okay. Thank you. Homework is remember the counting from 1 to 50. So next time you don't have to remember only from 26 to 50. You have to remember from 1 to 50. We will ask you in the next class. Okay. Again, let's make some sentences from it. He works. Sukriti ji.
Suchu Kam Karan.
Chuchukam Karan. Very good. She works. Shivani.
So chu kam karan.
हाँ.
Kum karan.
सुन स्व छे और छे काम करान. Repeat with me. स्वच्छ छे काम करान. शिवांश.
Set. You're frozen. Everyone's frozen actually.
Okay, now can you speak again?
You're so frozen.
I can see you. Can you repeat?
Bum, bum, bum.
You can hear me? Tushar, can you hear me?
शिवांश का इंटरनेट नहीं चल रहा है.
हाँ, I think that is the problem. Okay, Farin ji, आप कर लीजिए. She works.
Swa छ और छ काम करान.
Very good. Next one.
He is working. Suchu काम करान.
Sukriti ji. Next one.
She is working. Swachhi Kam Karan.
और स्वच्छ काम करान. Okay. He worked.
Then Kar Kam.
Na. Time. Very good. Time kar kam. Okay. Time kar.
Time Kar Kam.
Tushar.
She worked. Temi kar kum.
Time kar kam. He was working.
He was working. Suos kum karan.
Farin
She
ji.
was working. Okay.
Okay, you complete this. Doesn't matter. Complete the first one. She was working.
Swa us kum karan.
Okay. Farin ji.
He will work. Su kar काम. She will work. Swa kar काम.
Sukriti ji.
He'll be working. Su asi karan. She will be working. Su asi karan.
Okay, that's all. Shivansh, you're now okay? You're okay and listening to me? I think he's not able to listen. चलो ठीक है सुकृत जी आप आगे बढ़िए.
They work. Timchi karan.
Hmm.
They are working. Timchi karan. Same thing.
So they work or they are working is the same. Okay. They worked. Harin ji.
Timau kar kaam. Timau kar kaam.
They were working.
They were working. Tim ٲسۍ kaam karan.
Shivansh, can you see us now? Shivansh, can you
Yeah,
hear us?
now
Okay.
you're not glitched.
Okay,
Yeah.
now can you read this? They will work.
Tim karan ka.
Tim Karan ka. Tim Karan. Karan nahi hai. There is no such asterisk on this. This is Tim Karan ka. Okay. They will be
Okay.
working.
Tim asan ka karan. No, Tim
Karan.
asan karan.
Very good. Very good. Homework. Can you try and make some more sentences with this verb? Write them down and we will ask you in the next class. Okay. Kashmiri rhyme from last lesson. Shivansh, now you have to read this properly. Okay. Go ahead. This rhyme.
Kota gat giliye very very kha. Kehi karna giliye tulan dinipa katsai chia giliye.
Go ahead.
Aktupansa akaditi giliye haram habika.
सुकृति जी आप पढ़ लीजिए.
कोतुई गत्सुट के लिए very very खा. कह करने के लिए ठुलन देनी था. कत्सु छिए के लिए अख्तर पंसा. अखादित्य के लिए हराम हबी का.
हरीन जी.
Kotui gatsak giliye beri beri kha. Kehe karne giliye tholan dine pha. Katsu chiye giliye akht pansa. Akha ditai giliye haram habika.
तुषार. तुषार, go ahead.
Okay. कोतुई गच्छक गिलिये बेरी बेरी खा केह करने गिलिये ठूलन देने फा कचई छिये गिलिये अख्त पंसा अखा देते गिलिये हराम हवी का.
Assignment is try and find and learn a Kashmiri rhyme on your own. You look somewhere and find you can learn one Kashmiri rhyme from anywhere, from your friends or from the internet, and then you can recite it and share with us. Okay. PDF of this lesson will also be posted on WhatsApp group. That is a normal thing. Try and use learn word sentences. This also we tell everybody every time. So I think this is a general instruction. We can do one more thing. We have about 5-10 minutes. We wanted to complete something else. So let us ek bar wapas. We'll go through that lesson and see whether we can do something about it.
I have a Kashmiri rhyme.
Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead. We want to enjoy. All of us want to enjoy. Go ahead. Tell me.
Pap ani scooter matani bazar and of toffee garcham ka.
Your voice is breaking. Can you speak slowly? Go ahead. Go ahead.
Matani pap ani scooter matani bazar of toffee garcham of coffee.
Wow. Very good. Very good. Parinji, तो अच्छा कहाँ याद?
ऐसे जब पूछते हैं तब I don't remember anything.
तो next time तो एक तो याद पतवें तो you know you keep something in front of you and let us go ahead. ठीक है ना? Okay. स्वीकृति जी आप भी एक कश्मीरी राइम पकड़ लीजिए. आपका आपने जो मेरे को भेजा था कुछ ललवा, तो I didn't get time, but I will go through that and I'll write back to you. Okay. Okay, we were somewhere here. No, we were doing something. Not this, I think. No, we have to make some sentences. Just one. Now, instead of read, we can use eat. Eat. Okay. Sukriti ji. He eats. Such.
वो भी आती है
Khavan.
Khavan.
She reads. She eats. She eats.
She eats what she say Khavan.
Khavan. Very good. He is eating.
Suchu Khavan.
Very good. She is eating.
What she Khavan.
He ate.
Sure.
He ate. Past tense of eat is ate. He ate.
They
Cow. Cow.
Cow.
She ate. Cow. Cow. He was reading. He was eating. So was Khavan. Very good. She was eating.
Khavan.
He will eat.
So Kavi.
Kheye. So kheye. She will eat. Correct. He will be eating.
So Asi Khavan.
She will be eating.
So Asi Khavan.
Good. They ate. They eat. Sorry, they eat is the present. They eat.
Timchi Khavan.
They are eating.
Timchi Khavan.
Correct. They ate.
Timam Kyai.
Cow.
Cow.
They were reading. Tim.
Khavan.
Correct. They will eat.
Tim
Tim can.
Can.
They will be eating. Tim asan.
Khavan.
Great. So okay, आपने तो बहुत अच्छा किया. Let's use somebody. Shivansh. Sorry. Okay. Fareen ji. Go ahead. Read के बदले eat.
Eat.
Or you can use something else. Give me 1 minute. You use something else. Eat. Play हमने किया. Eat किया. Okay, use run.
He runs. Such doran. She runs. Such doran. He is running. Such doran. She is running. Such doran. He ran. Tem door. She ran. Tem door. He was running. Su os doran. She was running. So us doran. He will run. So dore. She will run. So dore. He will be running. So as doran. She will be running. So as doran.
They ran.
They ran.
हाँ.
No, they run.
No, it is
They
a read. Is a past. It is a past tense here. Oh, no,
this one
sorry,
is
sorry. No, this is present. Okay, okay. They run. Okay, go ahead.
they run, tim ch doran. They are running, tim ch doran. They ran, timo dor. They were running, tim ës doran. They will run, tim doran. They will be running, tim asan doran.
Perfect. Shivansh.
Can I do playing?
Okay, go ahead. Play. He plays.
He plays. Su chu gindan.
Okay.
He plays. So ch che gindan. He is reading. I mean, he is playing. Su ch gindan. She is
Mhm.
reading. So she so no. Oh, she is
He is
playing.
playing.
So ch gindan. He plays.
Hmm.
He plays.
He played.
Tum,
It is past tense.
por. I mean, tum gindan. No,
Them
tum
gyund. Them
ingun.
gyund.
Ingun. Oh, Tim
She
He
played.
played.
Time me gyund. Time me.
Tommy Gund.
Okay.
He was reading.
He
I mean,
was playing.
So us gindan. She was reading. So us. I mean, she was playing. So us para. I mean, so us gindan. He will read. So
He will play.
gindan.
No. He will play. Su gindi. Su gindi.
So she will play.
play.
So ginda.
Swa gindi. Swa gindi.
So
He will be playing.
he will be playing. So asa gindan. She will be playing. So asa gindan.
Swa asigindan. Okay.
They play.
Okay.
Timchi gindan.
Hmm.
They are playing. Timchi gindan. They read. Timav.
They played. They played. It is not right.
They played. They played.
Timog
Timav gind.
gyund. Timog
They
gyund.
were reading. I mean, they were playing. Tim asa gindan.
Tim Ösin.
Gindan.
Hmm.
Tim gindan. They will play. Tim gindan. They
Tim
will
Gindan. Tim Gindan. Not
Tim
Gindan.
gindan. Sorry, Tim.
Gindan.
They
They
will
will
be.
be
They will
playing.
be reading. Tim asan gindan.
Okay, perfect. Tushar.
Yes, sir.
When to kya man yumamos kya kiro to tre soromos beit na tagar bya kan word chu taran kan basan so ek kiro kiro. Parun Gündün gav doshvege Parun te Gündün dorun te gav. When to kya shu karo.
आप कोई वर्ड दे दो सर.
Harin ji. When you
Ji.
come word. Tushar has the come word. Catch one. Cuthbert when you sentence. Word.
Sweeping.
Chalo theek. Sweep. He sweeps.
अच्छा डुवन होना चाहिए क्या?
Doon.
He reads. Suchu duan.
He sweeps.
He sweeps. Sorry. He sweeps.
Suchu.
Suchu duan.
She sweeps.
He sweeps. Swachi duan.
Very good.
He is sweeping. Suchu duan. She is sweeping. Swachi duan. He sweeps.
It is past tense. He swept.
Swept. He swept. Teme डू क्या होगा यहाँ पे?
time
Do.
do.
Tame do. She
She
swept.
slept.
Tame do.
Correct. He was
Sweeping.
sweeping.
So was Duan. She
She
was
was
sweeping.
sweeping.
So us Duan.
Correct.
He will
He
sweep. So do we.
do we? Correct.
Do we. She will sweep. So do we. He will be sweeping. So से Duan. She will be sweeping. So से Duan.
Correct. Perfect. Then next.
They swept.
They
Timchi Duan.
they sweep. They sweep.
ये
They
फ्यूचर
sweep.
वाला है.
ये तो नॉर्मल वाला है, प्रेजेंट वाला है.
नॉर्मल. ओके.
They
दे
sweep.
स्वीप तिमची डुआन. ओके, ये प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस लग रहा है. हाँ,
बराबर ये कंटिन्यू.
दे आर स्वीपिंग तिमची डुआन.
They swept.
दे स्वेप्ट तिमब डू.
Correct.
दे वर स्वीपिंग तिम अस डुआन.
Correct.
दे विल स्वीप तिम परन. सॉरी, तिम डुआन.
Tim Duan. Correct.
तिम डुआन. दे विल बी स्वीपिंग तिम आसन डुआन.
Very good. Chalo, thank you. I think we have done 3-4. So he can pan word pan kare addition where you can add some words and read on that and record it for yourself. Okay. Anything else? Koi clarification on this lesson today? Swikriti ji, Farin ji, Shivansh, Tushar, anything on this chapter, today's lesson?
I'm good.
You are sorry, I lost you. Anybody? Anything else? Anything you want me to repeat? Anything? Sukriti ji, anything?
मतलब
Sukriti ji, you
हर
are
एक
able to listen to hear me?
yeah now right now yes. So हर एक वर्ब का फॉर्म पता लगाना तो बहुत ही मतलब like
हाँ,
do we have
what I would suggest, मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ आपको कि आप दूसरी जैसे कोई भी वर्ब यूज कीजिए. हमने अभी प्ले किया, हमने कोई रीड किया, हमने स्वीप किया, हमने रन किया. You can use any other word and form your own sentences and read them. And if you have any difficulty, just let me know. Okay. Okay. And same thing, Farin ji, anything you want to add or you want any clarification?
No. Thank you.
अच्छा, तचु शायरनी सबको एक चीज करना है. तचु शायरनी आख कश्मीरी राइम sounding internet aspect yak no se then you have to speak and then it will record. Next time we'll listen to that poem. This person Shivanshan went Nova poem. Shivansh, can you recite it again? Last time you were not very clear to us. Can you go ahead? Good.
Pani scooter. Metani bazar. Bazar anaf toffee. Chamav coffee.
Okay, very good. Good one. So ऐसे ही I think तुषार
yes sir.
तुषार कोई मैं वायरल कॉल किया वरना सही इतने पोइमा वोइमा कहाँ से जुतरे तो बोलो नेक्स्ट टाइम चीज़ शुरू करने पोइम सी थी प्रार्थना के बाद जो श्लोक के बाद आपको बोलेंगे आपको बनाना है वो चीज़ वायरल प्रोन ये ना ये बकाया है जुस्वर हफ्ते गई से ये नहीं ठीक
हाँ
है
मैं तैयार करता हूँ हाँ बिल्कुल
वेरी
Sure.
गुड फरीन जी तो ही कर दो तैयार स्वीकृति जी आप भी तैयार कर लीजिए ठीक है okay anything else then otherwise I'll close the session today शिवांश और आपकी मम्मी ने एक चीज पूछा था your mom had asked some question on the group when will the last lesson be the total lessons are 16 okay total number of lessons are 16 so accordingly you have to see which Saturday that 16th lesson will fall and that will be the last lesson then there will be revision in 1 or 2 weeks and then there will be a test okay
Okay.
okay thank you breakers के
Thank you.
चलो okay नमस्कार
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 okay bye नमस्कार
आदाब
नमस्कार आदाब